Is your GM key fob not working? Don't panic. The most common culprits are a dead battery, a need to relearn the remote to your vehicle, or a glitch in the receiver module. First, try replacing the battery. Most GM fobs use a CR232 or 2450 lithium coin cell battery. Pry open the fob, replace the battery, and make sure you install it in the correct orientation. If that doesn't work, your fob might need to be reprogrammed. We will go over that in the next section. If still unsuccessful, the issue might be with your car's receiver module. If a new battery didn't solve the problem, try a remote relearn procedure. This syncs the fob with your car's computer. The exact steps vary by model, so check your owner's manual. A typical method involves turning the ignition to the on or run position without starting the engine. Cycle the ignition 3 to 5 times in quick succession. Then press and hold the lock button on the fob until the doors lock or unlock. Lastly, you can attempt a receiver reset. Disconnect the vehicle's battery for 10 to 15 minutes to reset the keyless entry receiver module. Reconnect the battery and test the fob. If problems persist, it might be time to consult a professional, as there may be deeper underlying issues with the fob.